Welcome to Southern Union. In this video, we'll show you how to make a payment, add an authorized user, and enroll in a payment plan through your MySUSCC account. Before getting started, make sure you've set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This is required before accessing your student account. If you need help setting up MFA, visit the technical support page on the Southern Union website. To make a payment, log into your MySUSCC account using your student email address and password. From the Student Self-Service card, open your student dashboard. Under Student Account, select Make Payments, Deposits, and Payment Plans. It should be at the very bottom of the screen. This will take you to the TouchNet payment portal. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need to accept the user agreement. Once inside, click the yellow Make Payment button and follow the prompts to submit your payment using a bank account or a Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express card. If you'd like to give a parent or another individual access to your account information, you can add them as an authorized user. In TouchNet, select Authorized User at the top corner, then choose Add Authorized User. Enter their email address, select the permissions you'd like to grant, and submit the request. They'll receive an email with instructions to complete setup. Need more time to pay your balance? Southern Union offers interest-free payment plans through TouchNet. From the TouchNet homepage, select Payment Plans from the top menu and choose the available plan that works best for you. A non-refundable enrollment fee applies, and a down payment may be required depending on the plan selected. If you have any questions about payments or payment plans, contact Christine Cupp, spelled C-U-P-P, in the Southern Union Business Office at ccupp@suscc.edu or call 334-745-6437, extension 5482 or 5318. Go Bison!